In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete all chat messages quickly on Discord. We all know that managing a flourishing Discord server can be a rewarding experience, but it does come with certain challenges, particularly when it comes to keeping your channels tidy and organized. One of the most common tasks server owners or admins might face is clearing out old messages to maintain a clean and less cluttered environment. While Discord doesn't offer a built-in way to delete all chat messages at once, don't worry. I'm here to guide you through some effective ways to achieve a clean slate. Let's start with the first method, deleting your messages manually. If you've sent messages yourself and need to remove them, this is your best bet. Hover over the message you want to delete, and you'll notice a small options button appearing, which looks like 3 dots. Simply click on these dots and choose the delete message option. This method might be a bit slow, especially if you have a large number of messages, but it's a safe and surefire way to remove those messages permanently from the channel. This is particularly useful if you're just dealing with a handful of messages or if you need to remove specific content for moderation purposes. However, if you're an admin and need a more efficient method, there's a quicker way to clear out entire channels at once. For those of you with administrative rights, you can take advantage of Discord's channel cloning feature. This method involves creating an exact copy of a channel while discarding its chat history, allowing you to start with a fresh and empty channel. To do this, go to your channel settings. Once you're in the settings, look for the Clone Channel option and click on it. Discord will create a duplicate of your channel, maintaining all settings and permissions, but without any of the messages. After ensuring that everything is set up the way you want it, you can then safely delete the old channel, effectively wiping all previous messages clean. This approach is particularly beneficial when you need to bulk delete messages and are dealing with channels that have accumulated a significant amount of chat history over time. Both methods have their uses, and the choice between them ultimately comes down to your specific needs and the level of access you have on the server. If you're a server administrator, taking advantage of the cloning option is generally the fastest and most efficient way to keep your server's chat history in check. For everyone else, even though it might take a little longer, manually deleting messages ensures that you have complete control over which messages to keep and which to remove. I hope these methods help you maintain your Discord server just the way you like it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video.